Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our YouTube channel. Our criminal defense law firm in Illinois has over 400 perfect reviews and a long history of client satisfaction, dismissals, charge reductions, and victories. We have created these audio articles to help protect your freedom, reputation, and rights. If hired for your case, we will not give up until you get fair justice. CDL DUI Lawyer in Southern Illinois. At Combs Waterkotte, our entire practice is dedicated to protecting CDL holders accused of DUI throughout Southern Illinois. If you're facing CDL DUI charges, you may feel overwhelmed, hopeless, or intimidated, and understandably so, but our expert DUI defense attorneys are here to help. CDL DUI attorneys in Southern Illinois. If you drive for a living, a DUI charge is more than a legal headache. It's a direct threat to your livelihood. At Combs Waterkotte, our Southern Illinois DUI defense attorneys understand what's at stake when your commercial driver's license, CDL, is on the line. A single mistake could cost you your job, your license, and your future. We're here to help protect it all. CDL DUI laws in Illinois. Illinois holds CDL drivers to a higher standard than non-commercial drivers. While the legal blood alcohol content, BAC, limit for most drivers is 0.08%, CDL holders are subject to a limit of just 0.04%, even while operating a non-commercial vehicle. If you're convicted, or even just fail a chemical test, the consequences are immediate and harsh, including automatic 1-year disqualification of your CDL first offense, lifetime disqualification for a second offense, criminal penalties including fines, jail time, and probation, significant impact on your current and future employment. Even a first-time DUI conviction could mean trouble for your career. That's why quick action and experienced representation are absolutely essential. How we defend CDL holders against DUI charges. At Combs Waterkotte, we take a thorough, aggressive approach to defending commercial drivers. Every case is different, but we consistently explore every available angle to challenge the prosecution's claims. Our DUI defense strategies include questioning the legality of the initial traffic stop, identifying errors in field sobriety or chemical testing procedures, examining video footage from dash cams or body-worn cameras, challenging the reliability of BAC testing equipment, uncovering constitutional violations or Miranda rights errors. We understand the federal and state regulations that apply to CDL holders and use this knowledge to find the best possible resolution, whether that means dismissal, reduction of charges, or reinstatement of your driving privileges. Administrative penalties for CDL DUI in Illinois. Aside from criminal consequences, CDL drivers face automatic administrative penalties through the Illinois Secretary of State. These include disqualification of your CDL for 1 year after a first DUI conviction or failed test, 3-year disqualification if you were transporting hazardous materials, lifetime disqualification for a second DUI offense or refusal. It's critical to request a hearing within the required timeframe to contest the license disqualification. Our attorneys handle this process for you, represent you at hearings, and fight for your ability to stay behind the wheel. How to get your CDL back after a DUI in Southern Illinois. Getting your CDL reinstated after a DUI in Southern Illinois is not automatic, and the process is far more complex than restoring a standard driver's license. Illinois enforces strict rules for CDL holders, and even a first-time DUI can trigger a 1-year disqualification. A second conviction? Lifetime ban. To pursue reinstatement of your CDL, you must typically serve the full disqualification period, usually 12 months for a first offense. Complete a drug and alcohol evaluation and any recommended treatment or education. Maintain a clean driving record during your suspension. Pay reinstatement fees to the Illinois Secretary of State. Request a formal CDL hearing to demonstrate that you are no longer a risk to public safety. At Combs Waterkotte, we guide CDL drivers through every step of this process. From handling your DUI defense to preparing you for the reinstatement hearing, our goal is to restore your commercial driving privileges and your livelihood as quickly as possible. If your CDL is your career, we're the team to fight for it. How a Combs Waterkotte, Southern Illinois, CDL DUI Defense Lawyer can help. No matter how your CDL DUI arrest unfolded, your career and reputation deserve immediate strategic protection. At Combs Waterkotte, that's exactly what we deliver. Our Southern Illinois DUI defense attorneys understand what's at stake for commercial drivers, and we know how to fight back. From keeping your record clean to minimizing CDL disqualification time, we've helped professional drivers avoid devastating setbacks by securing case dismissals, reduced charges, and limited penalties. Whether you're a first-time offender or facing complex licensing issues, we act fast, fight smart, and protect what matters most: your license, your livelihood, and your future behind the wheel. Why hire a Southern Illinois DUI lawyer experienced with CDL cases? CDL holders are subject to stricter laws, faster administrative action, and higher professional stakes than typical drivers. You can't afford to trust your case to an inexperienced attorney. We don't just defend your case. We fight to protect your livelihood and everything it supports. Combs Waterkotte offers deep knowledge of Illinois, DUI and CDL laws, decades of experience defending commercial drivers, local familiarity with Southern Illinois courts and prosecutors, proven track record of case dismissals, charge reductions, and license restorations. Our extensive resources for CDL DUI defense in Southern Illinois. CDL DUI cases demand precision, speed, and a deep understanding of both criminal and administrative law. At Combs Waterkotte, we have the resources, technical tools, and team to handle every detail with confidence. This includes access to toxicologists and field sobriety test experts who can challenge BAC readings and flawed procedures, in-house legal research team to identify overlooked defenses and procedural violations, dedicated case managers to keep your CDL hearing and court timelines on track. With our full-scale legal infrastructure and aggressive strategic mindset, we're ready to protect your driving career and your future, no matter how tough the case. Contact a Southern Illinois CDL DUI lawyer today. If you're a commercial driver facing DUI charges in Southern Illinois, don't wait. Call Combs Waterkotte today at 618-88-CRIME or reach out online for a free, confidential consultation. We'll fight to protect your rights and your career.